you're a professional with a family or just looking to upsize, then come have a look at our semi-detached property in Norris Road. This property has 3 bedrooms, lounge, fitted kitchen, downstairs WC and family bathroom. It has off-road parking at the front with a garage and fully enclosed rear yard to the back. I like this property as it's decorated in modern grey and white theme. It has laminate flooring throughout and it's a blank canvas for any tenant to be able to put their own colour scheme in with their soft furnishings. With vertical blinds to the windows, it's near enough ready to go. If you do wish to book an appointment or want any further information, then please call us at Belvoir on 01782 478 444. Thank you.